ms290 here, steel. Says they won't run, so we're gonna dig into it and see what we can find out. Steel makes good chainsaws, so it can't be but too bad. Every one of these bad boys been the same length, so that's convenient. There we go. Oh yeah, there it is. Fuel line's broke. Sure enough. Pinch too. Alright. Simple enough. I wonder. I'll have to look and see. This might all be one piece. And it goes down in that little hole right there. So this piece comes off, and this sits inside of there, which squeezes that rubber to keep it from pulling out. So now what I should be able to do is, pop that bad boy right through there. And slide this back through here. That'll pop out. Take this one here. That should slide off of there. Yep. They're free. There we go. Pop this bushing through there. Like that. And this should pop right off. There we go. We'll clean that up. All right, so while we're waiting on the parts for this, we're gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up a little bit. Got some degreaser here. She's pretty nasty. Get these cleaned up too. Plug this hole here. Make sure nothing gets down on it. This is where the carburetor connects. Alright, we'll let that sit. Use our sprayer to spray this off. I got some hot water over here. Man, this stuff must be strong. It ate away at aluminum cover. I don't know that this one's gonna fit down there. Oop. This should fit in there though. All right. On to this one. Water's still pretty warm. It's pretty daggone clean. Clean enough for me. Alright, so the parts kit came in. Came with a bunch of stuff I don't need, but new air filter. There's the hose that I need. Fuel filter. I believe this is the filter for the oil. Some cheapo spark plug that I'm not gonna run. And these are the oil hoses. So this part goes down in the tank. It's down in there with this. And you gotta push this through there. So what we need to do is put this grommet in first. See, that's just a grommet there. There we go. That's back in there. Alright. Take this. Odd. Maybe I didn't take a screw out of there. So I just checked on the parts manual, no screw goes in there. So it's just the cap. Alright, so that might not be the right hose for this thing because it is kinked up in there pretty bad. Let's see here, folks. See, it's kinking up right there. That's not supposed to do that. I think I'm gonna cut a little bit off of it. Alright, I've got the spark plug out and let's see if I can't get any fuel pumped through there. I smell fuel. Alright, so I ran to the steel dealer and got genuine steel hose, and it is much better quality. Not as thick either, so it shouldn't kink like the other one did. Alright, here's the aftermarket one I bought. See how much thicker it is? Just low quality rubber. I wanted to kink every time I'd bend it. So I think we're much better off with the factory replacement. See, it was kinking up right there. Well, I don't have anything big to cut. Maybe I'll go over there and chop up that a little bit more. But this one broke off during the storm. I mean, it's tiny. But we're just gonna make sure it runs good. Runs good. I think it probably needs a chain. I know it needs a bar, but cuts all right. She started bogging out a little bit. I think with some more run time, it'll be good to go. All right, guys.